Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can edit the sky only in your images and photos on Adobe Lightroom. So let us get started. So head over to your photo on Lightroom, one with a sky or depicting a sky in the background. And what you will need to do, guys, is access the masking tool for that by clicking into this masking button to the right. And after that you will see that Lightroom features specific masking area for the sky, as you can see. So you can use that one here and simply click into it, and after that the given mask will be applied to the sky, to this selected area. You will see the mask here. You can add a new one or subtract one if you like. So what you will really need to do next, guys, is simply go through that customization at the bottom and edit your sky a bit. So yeah, you can play around with this. You can change the exposure or the contrast, and you will see these changes here to the left. So now it looks really dark, for instance, but we can make it also look like this, for instance. So you can also play around with the image temperature, the tint, and the hue and saturation here. And if you like, also apply the dehaze tool. So find your preferred setup, guys, and once that's done, what you want to do is simply click into save in the top right or in the top to save your image with that edited sky. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.